Hello everyone, my name is Professor Vishakha Bende. In today's session, we are going to discuss about importance of planning, monitoring, evaluation and follow-up. Before starting this topic, just click on bell icon and do subscribe my channel. Planning. Planning is the key of management. It precedes all other management functions. Planning is a thinking process. It involves setting of goals, objective and deciding the line of the actions. This establishes the relationship between action and objective. Planning provides foundation to the management process which is supported by the other functions, that is organizing, directing, communicating and controlling. There are types of plans. Plans would be short range plan, medium range plan, long range plan. According to time limit, the plans have different types. Now see the nature of planning. Planning is an intellectual process. It's goal oriented. Planning is all persuasive. Planning facilitates efficiency. It's flexible. Planning is a continuous process and involving choice and decision making. Define the task. Here are the steps in planning. That is, define the task, then identify resources, consider alternative, create the plan, work the plan and evaluate the plan. Now see the importance of planning. Why planning is important? Planning increases efficiency. It reduces business related risk. Planning facilitates proper coordination. It also helps in organizing. Planning gives right direction, keep control on business. It helps to achieve objective. Planning motivates the personnel. Planning encourages creativity and innovation. It helps in decision making. Let's see what is monitoring. Monitoring is the routine assessment, for example, daily, monthly, quarterly, of information or indicator of ongoing activities. Monitoring is recording whether right things is being delivered to the right people at the right time in a right way or process. Monitoring is a continuous process, help project staff to know how things are going as well as giving early warning of possible problems and difficulties. Evaluation. It is an periodic assessment of an ongoing or recently completed project relevance, performance, efficiency and impact. It will provide evidence of why targets and outcomes are not being or achieved and address issues of causality. Evaluation is carried out to determine the effectiveness. Did the project achieve its planned purpose? The evaluation gives answer of all the questions raised during working of the organization. Now, importance of monitoring and evaluation. It provides constant feedback on the extent to which the projects are achieving their goals. It identifies potential problems at an early stage and propose possible solutions. Monitor the accessibility of the project to all sectors of the target population. Monitor the efficiency with which the different components of the project are being implemented and suggest improvements. It evaluates the extent to which the project is able to achieve its general objective. It provides guidelines for the planning of future projects. It improves project design, show need for mind course correction, a reliable flow of information during implementation, enables manager to keep track of progress and adjust operation to take account of experience. Follow up and managing competition. Follow-up refers to responding to business queries, inquiries and complaints if your business is relatively new. Many businesses fail soon after they are launched only because They didn't go good customer support along with their product and services. Every customer has a unique need, and a smart entrepreneur, it's your job to find out what customer expect from your product as well as your company. Happy and satisfied customer are your biggest asset, and often they are also the one that promote your business in incredible way by referring your product and services to others in their social circles. Managing competition is a process of gathering information on who competitors are, that they are doing, and how their actions will affect your organization. Principles of managing competition: spot early opportunities, develop a deeper understanding of the customer, national and international, keep track of the competitor, identify current trends which should shape the future. So, here is all the knowledge about managing the competition of the firm. Hope you understood. Thank you.